Hey guys, as you could kind of see around me here, I'm actually in Bangkok. I wanted to take this opportunity to give you guys a life and channel update. So why don't I walk around a little bit and I'll tell you what's new. So, you remember the last time we talked, I was living in Guadalajara. So that was late 2022. And as soon as I heard that Bangkok reopened, I bought my ticket and I got here December 2022. I actually made a video on everything that's changed, because the city changed so much. It wasn't the same Bangkok that it used to be, at least back then. I probably should have stayed another year in Mexico, but anyways, that's how things go. And I just wasn't feeling like posting videos of how Bangkok changed and how it was different. It just kind of bummed me out, because I used to live here in 2014 through 2019 on and off. So I know what the city is like. And yeah, 2023 was just way too quiet. Not enough people walking on the streets, on the sidewalks. Everybody was wearing their masks. It just seemed like everybody went to their hometown, and a lot of the offices were empty. But I still got a great deal on my condo where I'm staying now, so that was one of the perks. Oh yeah, and this is the Ritz-Carlton. This hotel used to be an abandoned construction site, and now it's like, you know, a 5-star ritzy hotel. So a lot of buildings popped up in the 3 years, you know, since I wasn't back. And it's amazing how the construction workers can create, you know, brand new office towers, condos, hotels in literally 2 to 3 years. Because there was a bunch of them that just sprouted out of nowhere. I remember this being an empty lot. So anyways, there was that. Also in 2022, I turned 50, but we won't talk about that. But it was one of my life goals to come back here at that age and apply for a retirement visa. So that was the other motivation to come here and move things along pretty quickly. And that whole process took about a year. It was not easy. Steep learning curve, and yeah, so there was that. But I'll just tell you real quick. So 2023, it wasn't a great time to be here. Towards the end of 2023, like when it came to Halloween, Christmas, New Year's, it actually started getting much better. And this is brand new too. This is a brand new building. The Pablo Bank. And this is Sukhumvit. But I'll save the tour guide for another day. So anyways, spring of 2024, I would say Bangkok is like at 90%. was at 70% in 2023, maybe even down to 60. But we're back to pretty much normal. And that has encouraged me to start doing some vlogs. And I'm gonna start posting things that I find interesting, that I like, that I do on a daily, so you can see what it's like living like a local. And we'll see how that goes. I mean, I don't have really the personality for vlogging, neither the face, but hey, let's try to have a little fun. And I want to document some of these things for memories. Because this is such a great city. There's so many fun things to see and do here, and I want to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. See ya.